right, guys, I'm going to show you how to fill in your moon phases diagram. We've already done the lesson on this in class, so I'm not going to explain the moon phases again. I'm just showing you how to fill in your diagram, okay? So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on the picture, and that will pop up with a blue border around the picture, and then you'll see an edit button down here at the very bottom. Okay, so on the left-hand side, there's an edit button. You click on that edit button, and it'll pop up with all these really good tools for you to fill in your diagram. Now, you can use the scribble tool and color stuff in, so you'll be able to color like that, but I'm going to show you a much easier way to fill in this diagram. If you come up here to the shape tool and go down to shapes and come over here to this shape right here, it's called moon, so that's fitting. Okay, so I'm going to click on the moon, and I'm going to drag it and draw it where I need it to be. Now, it fits perfectly inside of that circle, and then I'm going to use that little yellow piece. I'm going to pull on that little yellow piece until it comes up to it's about half of the moon. Now, I know it's not perfect, but it worked for what we needed to do, okay? All right, so now, what I'm doing is I'm shading in the dark part of the moon with this shape, okay? So I need to come up here to this little bucket. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to shade it in dark, all right? Trying to get it to sit in the right spot. It's being a pain. All right, that's close enough. Okay, so this diagram is from above, all right? So from above, the moon looks exactly the same no matter where it's in its orbit, okay? Now, there's not 8 moons around Earth. We just have 8 moon phases, so that's why there's 8 moons around this Earth, all right? Now, if you're looking at the moon phases from above, they all look exactly the same, okay? So remember that half of the moon is always bright, and it's the half that's facing the sun. So now that I've got this one shaded in, I can copy it and then paste it, okay? That way I don't have to keep resizing it and creating new ones. I can just put it where it needs to be, okay? So since I know that all these moon phases, if you're looking at them from above, look the same, I can just keep taking this same shape and filling them in, okay? So now they're different on the other diagram. They're not all the same when you're looking at them from Earth, all right? So this only works on this diagram. So once you've got all of them shaded in, I'm not going to do all of them. I'm not going to make you watch me do that. Once you've got all of them shaded in, you're going to tell it to save and close, and then it pops up on your diagram on the document just like it, okay?